Hello, this is Will from JourneyWallStreet.blogspot.com. I'm here to do a trade review for a LinkedIn day trade I did this morning or this afternoon. So there's no real big picture play besides the SPY's really strong today. I mean, it traded lower from yesterday's close, and then boom, it just rallied and pretty much wiped out all the losses from yesterday. So this is pretty much a market type of trade. So let me just go straight to the trade. I didn't really get involved until towards the end of the day. I woke up very late today and got to work pretty late. And all I really did was I saw kind of a ascending wedge type of pattern here. And my thinking was if it breaks through the top of that pattern, then it could go. And initially I was kind of looking at these areas as potential targets, sort of this retracement high of a couple of days ago. So all I really did was I bought kind of into this pullback and then added through the break here. And I mean, it took off, it came back, retested the EMAs right at this level, and kept going from there. At this time, during these three candles, here, let me do this so you guys will see. So if I draw a vertical line kind of right here and make it show so it shows on all the symbols, and do it again. Oops, not that. Do it again here. So as this was going and it ran into kind of this area here, this highlighted area, I thought that it was let me see if I can do this on all symbols too. Okay, so I thought this was running into resistance, because if you look at the SPYs in the same area, what I saw was a channel like the entire day. So when it approached here, I was anticipating that it might be the top of the channel. So if it traded along the channel like it did today, then I was thinking that it had a chance to kind of pull back and maybe bounce off to the bottom of the channel. So that's why I decided to kind of lighten up here and move my stop to my basically I moved it to where I entered. So I moved my stop and I was stopped out below this green candle here. In reality, I should have just kept my stop alone, because I already took profits in here and the rest of it was just a free money trade. But I mean, it only went up 20-30 more cents from there, so it's not like I expected a really big run up. All I kind of was looking for was a little bit of a small measure move from here, and it didn't quite get there. But I also had this as a sort of a level, and this resistance happened right at that level. So I decided to lighten most and raise my stop for the rest. I wasn't expecting too much follow through, and really there wasn't much follow through after that. And that's pretty much the trade. It was very low risk because I just risked below this candle here. So my RVR wasn't great. Wasn't really realized on this trade, but it was low risk enough for me to take it. Compelling enough and low risk enough for me to take it. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.